Want to track smarter, train harder, and live healthier, all from your wrist? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. Meet the Garmin Forerunner 970, a powerhouse built for runners who want precision, performance, and next-level training insights. With its sleek design, advanced health tracking, and pro-grade GPS accuracy, this watch is crafted to push your limits and guide every run with confidence. It's the perfect partner for athletes who want every workout to be smarter, stronger, and more efficient. What's in the box? Let's see what you get in the box. Inside the box, you'll find the Forerunner 970 GPS running watch, charging cable, and documentation pamphlets. Technical specifications. Meet the Garmin Forerunner 970 with a titanium bezel, sapphire crystal lens, and durable quick-fit silicone strap. It features a 1.4-inch AMOLED touchscreen, 454 by 454 pixels, an optional always-on mode, and a lightweight 47mm case that fits wrists 135 to 205 millimeters. Powered by Garmin's chipset with 32GB storage, it tracks heart rate, ECG, SpO2, sleep, body battery, stress, hydration, women's health, fitness age, and skin temperature. Equipped with GPS, pulse ox, altimeter, compass, gyroscope, accelerometer, thermometer, and ambient light sensors, it's built for running, multisport, and outdoor adventures with 5 ATM water resistance and an LED flashlight. Battery lasts up to 15 days in smartwatch mode or up to 26 hours GPS only. Connectivity includes Bluetooth, NT+, Wi-Fi, Garmin Pay, and Connect IQ with touchscreen and physical buttons, plus speaker and mic for calls, voice commands, and music. Runs on Garmin's proprietary OS, fully integrated with Garmin Connect, and includes Garmin Coach with personalized training plans to help you reach your goals. Sleek, safe, and ready for any workout. It's available in black, gray, or customizable quick-fit straps. Product features. Crafted with a titanium bezel, sapphire crystal lens, and durable quick-fit silicone strap, the Forerunner 970 is sleek, lightweight, and built for running, multisport, and everyday wear. It features 5 ATM water resistance and an integrated LED flashlight for outdoor adventures. Advanced sensors track wrist heart rate, pulse ox, ECG, barometric altitude, compass, gyroscope, accelerometer, thermometer, and ambient light. It monitors heart rate, SpO2, sleep, body battery, stress, hydration, women's health, fitness age, and skin temperature. Supports running, cycling, swimming, triathlon, HIIT, yoga, and more. Real-time stats, customizable activity profiles, Garmin Coach, training plans, and multi-sport modes make every workout smarter and more efficient. Powered by Garmin's proprietary chipset, it offers up to 15 days in smartwatch mode, 26 hours GPS only, 23 hours Safety IQ, and 21 hours all systems GNSS plus multiband. 32GB storage lets you carry music, maps, and activity data. Device layout and functions. Let's know your device layout. On the Garmin Forerunner 970, the left side buttons handle lighting up the screen, opening notifications, scrolling through menus, and accessing the main or music controls with different press and hold actions. The right side buttons let you open the activity menu, select options, start or stop workouts, and go back or record laps during training. Each button is designed to give quick, precise navigation so you can control the watch efficiently during both daily use and workouts. Using the touchscreen on your Garmin Forerunner 970 is simple. Just tap to select any option in a menu and hold your finger on the screen to open the menu for more controls. And when you need to enable or disable the touchscreen, just hold the light button with the start button or hold the light button alone to access the touchscreen icon. You can also hold the light button, go to Watch Settings, then Display and Brightness, tap on Touch, and choose the setting you want. Wearing the watch. Get the perfect fit for all-day comfort. To remove the strap, press the quick-release latch and slide it out. Repeat on the other side. To attach a new strap, align it with the lug, press the latch, and lock it in place. Ensure both sides are secure and your watch is ready to wear. Place the watch comfortably on your wrist, ensuring the back sensors make full contact with your skin. Adjust the strap for a snug, but not tight fit, so it stays in place during daily activities and accurately tracks your health metrics. How to pair. To pair your Garmin Fenix 8 Pro with your phone, first ensure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on your phone. Then install the Garmin Connect app from the App Store or Google Play and log in or create an account. Turn on the watch by pressing and holding the light button, then follow the initial setup prompts, including language and time. When prompted to pair the phone, select Yes. The watch will display a QR code. Open Garmin Connect on your phone, scan the code, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the pairing. Once connected, the watch and phone will sync, allowing you to configure additional preferences such as wrist orientation and notifications. If pairing fails, restart both devices, remove any previous pairings, keep the devices close together, and make sure both the app and watch firmware are up to date. How to charge. Connect the USB end of the charging cable to a power source and attach the charging clip to the watch's back, aligning the contacts. The watch will display a charging icon when charging begins. For best battery health, charge when low and avoid leaving it plugged in at 100% for long periods. How to reset your watch. Method 1. Reset via Watch Settings. Open Settings on your watch. Scroll down and tap System. Select Factory Reset or Reset Watch. Confirm your choice when prompted. The watch will restart and return to factory settings. Method 2. Reset using hardware buttons. Press and hold the light button for 15 to 20 seconds until the watch powers off. Release the button, then press it again to turn the watch back on. This forces a restart but does not erase data unless a factory reset is selected in Settings. Resetting will erase all data, including apps, settings, and personal information. Make sure your watch is backed up via the Garmin Connect app before proceeding. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use only approved chargers. Keep it dry. Clean gently. Wear comfortably. Update regularly. Product comparison. Talking about the materials and build, the Forerunner 970 uses a lightweight titanium bezel with a sapphire crystal lens and a durable silicone quick-fit strap, ideal for long runs and all-day comfort. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 features a rugged titanium case with enhanced durability and 100-meter water resistance, built for tougher outdoor and diving environments. Display and sizes. Garmin offers a 1.4-inch AMOLED display with a 47mm case, optimized for visibility during workouts. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 delivers a larger and brighter 1.9-inch Retina/OLED display in a 49mm case, designed for maximum clarity, maps, and smartwatch interactions. Battery and storage. Garmin prioritizes pro-level fitness with multi-band GPS, advanced running dynamics, training readiness, VO2 max, recovery insights, and deep multi-sport support. The Ultra 3 offers reliable GPS and strong workout tracking, but is more suited for mixed lifestyle and fitness use rather than specialized endurance training. Talking about other features. The Forerunner 970 supports essentials like notifications, music, Garmin Pay, and speaker mic functions, while staying sports-focused. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 delivers a full smartwatch ecosystem: apps, calls, messages, Siri, navigation, and deeper integration with the iPhone. Pros and cons. The Garmin Forerunner 970 delivers a bright AMOLED display, a lightweight titanium and sapphire build, and excellent multi-band GPS. It offers advanced health and performance tracking, plus useful extras like a flashlight, speaker, mic, offline music, and full mapping. On the downside, it's pricey, battery drains faster with always-on or high-accuracy GPS, and some metrics need extra accessories. The interface can feel complex, and smartwatch features remain limited compared to full smartwatches. Overall, it's a powerful choice for serious athletes who want top-tier performance. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.